Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. So, yeah, if you have noticed, I have changed the theme and everything because finally my watercolor journal is arrived with Amazon order, and I recently received this order. I think I received this yesterday only, and I shooted a video of all the products which I have plus my order. So I don't think that I should upload it right now because there are a lot of products which are still on the way and they have not still arrived. They have not yet arrived, so I think that I will wait for a few more days and then I will make a review video, and then I can give you better review about the products and everything. So I have created the front page. If you want to see that front page and how I created that, I have also recorded a clip on that also. So if you want to see how I created my front page and what all things were going on my mind while I was creating that, so you can definitely comment down in the comment section and we can upload the video of that also. And guys, like, I have changed my Instagram profile. Like, that I also write and I also paint. So for my painting I have created a separate new account, so I will drop the link in the description box, and I will change the link from my previous videos from the description box, so you can just go and click on the link and follow me on my Instagram profile also. I created that profile right now, so yeah, you can just go and follow me. It is with name Shreya. So yeah, that's it about the picture. Now for this paper, like, this is a very nice quality paper, watercolor paper, and I am using it. Like, I am putting water and then I am putting a few drop of colors, and the colors are like so smoothly blending and everything. So I really like the quality. I didn't really know how much quantity you need to work on this paper, so I'm still learning to work on this paper. Plus I have, like, this is the variant from 200 grams of watercolor paper, and I have also purchased 300 grams of watercolor paper. So I will be making portrait on those sheets or those papers. If you want to see that also, I will definitely make videos on that. In fact, I am doing a daily challenge from today onwards from for this journal only. So if you want to see what all I am going to create, then you must definitely follow me, subscribe to my channel and everything. And I am taking the help from my Instagram followers, like who all are following me on Instagram or to whom I am following. I am taking the reference from their pictures. I'm mentioning the name of those people also on my Instagram profile only. So if you want to get featured and if you want me to make your pictures, just drop in the comment section, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram profile, and yeah, I will do that also. So as I'm still learning, I am like really happy that I have shifted from Bukram sheets to these papers. These are like very nice quality, very good quality of paper. I will drop the link in the description box of Amazon, like from where I have ordered and which quality paper, what all products I have ordered. You can definitely go and visit the site and purchase. So yeah, that's all for the painting. Like, I am this particular painting, this is not the reference of anything else. I have created whatever I was thinking, whatever was going in my mind, I created that. I really like plants, and I wanted my first painting to be really green, not too much green, but yeah, I wanted it to be light and green. So that is why I have not pigmented the background a lot. I wanted to coat it with 2 or 3 quotations, but I don't really wanted to make it very filled with colors, poppy colors. So I just did one single quotation, one single layer of colors, and I was good to go. I can also use acrylic color on these sheets. I have tested, I have did a patch test. I will definitely show you all the front page if you want to see. I have created it with I think a lot about things, what should be my front page, how should my front page look like. So I have worked on that, and finally I came to a conclusion in the result that my front page should look like that. So if you want to see how I have actually created that, just visit my Instagram profile, drop me a message or comment down in this video only. I will definitely post a video or clips of how I did that. So yeah, that's all, and thank you so much guys. Like, our family is growing, it is 600 now, and I really want and I really wish that followers get increased, because on 1st August, 2nd August, there's my birthday. I celebrate on 2nd August. So 2nd August is my birthday, and I really wish if the number of followers increase to 1000 on that day. That will be really very special. So I request you all, if you're watching the video and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it. It will hardly take 1 to 2 minutes. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video with your family and friends. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I am not really active on Facebook, but on Instagram I'm really very active. Also, I've written a new blog on friendship, because most of my Instagram followers requested to write a blog on that. So I've written it, and if you want to check out that also, I will drop the link in the description box. You can definitely go and read it and follow me there also. So I'm going to be very active from now onwards. I am also doing this daily painting challenge, so I will be uploading all my paintings regularly and daily with hashtag daily painting challenge. So if you want to follow me with the hashtag, you can also go and do that. So yeah, that's all for today's video. And if you really like my video, and if you want to make more such videos, and if you want to make more such themes with light colors, like watercolors, you can definitely drop in the comment section. I will definitely make that. So yeah, that's all for the video. But guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please like my video, share my video with your family, friends, and that's all. Please enjoy the complete video and take care. Bye.